Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So last day we had discussed about disjoint sets. What are the three operations we can do on a set? On a disjoint set, we can find value, we can make set, and also we can do union of two sets. So what are these three? These three are disjoint sets. Please write them. This is set 1. Set 1 consists of 1, 2, 3 and 6. Then we have another set, that is set B, which has 4, 5, 7. And then there is another set, that is set 3, which is having 8, 9 and 10. 3 numbers. So there are basically 3 sets. Set A, set B and set C. So what will be the union of set A and set B? What will be the union? Set A is 1, 2, 3, 6. Set B is 4, 5, 6. So what will be the union of set A and B?
1, 2,
1, 2,
3,
3,
4,
4, 5, 6, 7.
Huh? So when we are writing about union of two sets, suppose we have given value as A and B. So we are getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. And C will be disjoint as it is. So how we are drawing this, how we are getting this tree. So the parent node is the base node. In parent we have 1. And then these all are child nodes. Child nodes are 2, 3, 6, 5, 7, 9 and 10. And what are the parent nodes? Parent nodes are 1, 4 and 8. There are 3 parent nodes. 1, 4 and 8. And there are 7 child nodes. 2, 3, 6, 5, 7, 9 and 10. Now see, they have actually drawn a graph. So how they have drawn this graph? -1 is basically the parent. If we consider the child nodes as level 0, if we consider the child node as level 0, so the immediately the level that is above this child level will be -1. Am I clear? If the child nodes are in level 0, so the level that is 1 above, that is the parent level. So immediate 1 above parent level will be minus 1, as they have mentioned here. So the first parent node is 1. It is represented as 1 -1. Then comes 2, 3, 6. They are all mentioned in a proper way. Then you have 4. 4 is again a parent node. So parent node are represented as -1. Again 5. 5 is 1. And 7, it should be 1 everywhere. And then this 5 consists of the fourth node that we have. 7 is also the fourth node. And 9 and 10, it is the 8 and 8. This level, then comes this level, and finally this. So 1, this all are coming in the same level. Next, after these 4 elements, we are getting this level. Here 4 is represented as -1, and then 5 and 7 are represented. Then comes the next level, that is 8. Here comes 9 and 10. So the operations we are doing here are members, insert, delete and union. Please calculate this and let me know the answers. Complete and let me know the answers. Done. Completed this part.
मैम एक बार फिर से रिपीट कीजिए ना, नहीं समझ आया.
See, this is the graph. Graphs are represented here. One, which consists of 2, 3, 6. Then another, there is another tree, which consists as parent node as 4. Then 5 and 7 are the child nodes. Then there is another tree where root node is 8 and the child nodes are 9 and 10. Now what I have asked you, like we can write set as set of A, means the first tree. Set of A is 1, 2, 3 and 6. These four elements are present. A, 1, 2, 3 and 6. These four elements are present in the first tree. Next, tree B. Tree B comes root node as 4 and child node as 5 and 7. So the next set we get B set as 4, 5, 7. Then the third set. Third set is C. C set, in C we get root node as 8 and child node as 9 and 10. That is the last one. C equal to 8, 9, 10. Now what I am asking you to do, you have to write these operations. First is union S1, S2, S3. Without seeing the answer, try to find 1, 2 and 3 union of these three sets. What will be the answer? Then also I'm talking about this. Replace S by S minus A. So S is the entire one, entire set. S consists of all the numbers from 1 to 10. If I want to subtract A, I mean 1, 2, 3 and 6, that is the first tree from S, then what will be the result? We will be left with 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have the set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And from that set, I'm subtracting what? I'm subtracting the first tree. The first tree consists of 1, 2, 3, and 6. So what are the numbers remaining? Numbers remaining are 4, 5,
4, 5,
7,
7, 8, 9, 10.
that is what I'm saying. Okay. Now what to do? Now union. Union of 3. Union of S1, S2, S3. A union, B union, C union. What will be the entire set S?
Yes, ma'am.
Whole set.
Okay. Now find the operation union operation. Please write this algorithm. Please write this algorithm, union operation. Union means combination of two sets. S1 union S2 means combination of two sets. So how to write the algorithm? Please write the algorithm. Please copy the algorithm from here. And let me know once you have done. এই লেখা হলো না, ঘুমাচ্ছ?
Ma'am, done, ma'am.
লিখেছ?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, done.
You have written this algorithm, right? Union ij. So what is the time complexity? Time complexity is coming as big O n square. What is the time complexity coming as big O n square? Can anyone explain why n square is coming? Can anyone explain why the time complexity as big O n square? Why n square is the time complexity?
ম্যাম এখানে কি একটা লুপের মধ্যে আরেকটা লুপ চলছে, মানে দুটোই অ্যাকচুয়ালি এন বার চলছে বলে এন স্কয়ার।
হ্যাঁ, মানে এটা n বার পুরোটাকেই তো পুরোটাই ট্রাভার্স হচ্ছে, অথবা পুরোটাই ট্রাভার্স হচ্ছে, তো সেই জন্য এটা n বারই ঘুরছে, সেই জন্য ওটা n স্কয়ার আসছে, দ্যাটস কামিং অ্যাজ n স্কয়ার।
ম্যাম মানে এখানে একটা অ্যারে ইন্ডেক্সের জন্য একটা যেটা কাউন্ট হবে লুপে সেটার জন্য n, আর একটা হচ্ছে ট্রি এর যতগুলো লেভেল আছে ততগুলোর জন্য একটা n কাউন্ট, সেই জন্য দুবার n এর লুপ চললে n আসতে হবে।
মানে একটা প্যারেন্ট লুপের মধ্যে একটা চাইল্ড লুপ আছে।
মানে প্রত্যেকটা লেভেলের জন্য একবার করে কম্পারিজন হবে, আর প্রত্যেকটা অ্যারে ইন্ডেক্সের জন্য একবার করে আমরা লুপ চালাবো।
এবার নেক্সট হচ্ছে ফাইন্ড অ্যালগরিদমটা। ফাইন্ড অ্যালগরিদমটা লিখে নাও। এটারও টাইম কমপ্লেক্সিটি, ফাইন্ড অ্যালগরিদমেরও টাইম কমপ্লেক্সিটি আসছে বিগ ও n স্কয়ার। Have you written this algorithm, find algorithm? What is happening? We have to find the root of the tree containing the element. Now we are taking two variables as I and j. At first, we are initializing it in the root node position. So we are initializing it as j equal to I. What is I? I is for the root node. Then we are actually running a loop, a while loop. The while loop will run until the parent loop comes to 0. Now we will be taking the value of j and we will return this value to the function find. This is the tree, this is the algorithm, and how this has been done. This is the algorithm. Time complexity of find algorithm is also big O n square. Then comes weight rule of union. What is the weight rule? If the number of nodes in a tree I is less than number in tree, then make j as the parent of I. So if the number of nodes in a tree, the number of nodes present in a tree is less than the number in the tree, so what we have to do? We have to make j as the parent of I. So this is the condition. So we have to make 2 as a parent of I and 3. Union of 3 and 4. So this is how the union of two numbers are done. 3 is obtained in a repeat. Here comes another algorithm which is for union of two variable I and j. Union, we set the root node as I and j as I not equal to j using weighted rule. Next comes pi. pi is equal to minus count I and pj is equal to minus count j. Minus sign because we have initialized both the value in the parent. In parent also we have seen we keep the value as minus 1. Next comes temp. Temp value we have initialized as this. Then comes the loop. We are checking a condition. If I is greater than j, means the parent node is greater than the child nodes. Then what will happen? I has fewer nodes. So this is the condition. I point parent node I is equal to j and also the next. Else the condition. This for the union.
ম্যাম শোনা যাচ্ছে না ম্যাম।
This is for the union algorithm. What happens in union algorithm? We set the root I and j. Root node is set first, I and j. Then what happens? We make the count as minus 1. As we have seen before, like we give the value minus 1 for the root node. So here also we have taken a negative value for it for the root nodes. Then we have assigned a temporary variable where we are taking two value of I and value of j. And we're comparing these two value. The value of I should be greater than value of j. The value of root node will be greater than the value of child node. So this is the block for the condition. Once the condition is fulfilled, then this code will be executed, else the other one will be executed. So this is for union of two sets. We have already done union. Next comes collapsing. This part is not required for finding. So union of 1 and 2. 1 and 2. 1 is 1 and 2. This is the first one. This is the first one, 1 and 2. And when we are uniting the both union of two values, union of two sets, then finally this is the outcome. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the outcome after union of two sets. Then another one, union of 3, 4, 5, 7. So here we get another 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the union of again two sets. Third is union of 1 and 5. 1, 1 and 5. Union of 1 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 as well as 5, 6, 1 and 7 and 8. Means union of these two. First what we have done, we have made union of two sets. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 5, 6, 7, 8. This two union. Then we are doing union of union. So finally we got the value as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. Now we apply 8 finds here. How to do that? S1 union S2. S1 is 1, 2, 3, 6 and S2 is 4, 5, 7. So union of S1 and S2. এগুলো কিন্তু ভালো করে করো. These things are quite important and these are also very scoring part also in DA. 1, 2, 3, 6, 4, 5, 7 and then 8, 9, 10. Union of S1 and S2. What is S? S is this set, the left hand side, and S2 is the middle set. So finally we got the union of this two set as 1, 2, 3, 6, 4, 5, 7. This entire set is the union of these two sets. Now what is stack? You know stack? Is this thing clear? Are you able to understand this part? Union of some disjoint sets.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you written? Have you written those algorithms?
অ্যালগরিদম গুলো লিখে দিন।
লিখেছো?
मैम ये
Yes,
पीडीएफ प्लीज सेंड कर देना।
Have you written those algorithms?
यस मैम।
Have you written those algorithms? Okay, I'm assuming you have written. So give your attendance now. 61, 62, 63, 64.
Present, ma'am, 63.
Ma'am, 61.
Where are you?
मीटिंग में हूँ मैम शुरू से.
61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66,
Present, ma'am.
67,
66, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
68,
67, ma'am.
Ma'am, 68.
59,
Yes, ma'am.
70, 71,
Yes, ma'am. 71.
72,
Present,
70,
ma'am. 72.
73, 74,
Present, ma'am.
75,
74. I'm 74 present.
75,
Present, ma'am.
76,
Present, ma'am.
77, 78, 79,
Present, ma'am.
80, 81,
Yes, ma'am, 81.
82,
Present, ma'am. 82.
83, 84,
Yes,
85,
ma'am. 84 present.
85, 86,
Present, ma'am.
87, 88, 89.
Yes, ma'am.
Not to be absent.
Ma'am, I'm 89.
90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95,
Yes,
9,
ma'am.
96,
Yes, ma'am.
97,
Yes, ma'am.
मैम 90 भी प्रेजेंट है.
कौन है 90?
मैम पीयूष.
कहाँ?
मैम मैसेज कर रहा है.
$98,
Present,
90,
ma'am.